Hello guys, in this video you will see how to join Lbank Twitter event. So I gained just one airdrop $100 back then, like five, like it would be 1 years ago. So now you have a lot of opportunity to gain, you know, a lot of money from this type of airdrop. Just follow them, just join their Telegram. Just simple task that can do your grandmother, old grandmother, that easy to do. So the process is easy, but you need to first thing first, you need to understand that for joining your start your journey right away, because uh, maybe you need to have three multiple account. You can join if you get $100, like two account, $200 in one event. And uh, meanwhile you have a lot of airdrop as well here. So today I will share with you this on. So for getting this offer link, come into my Telegram, check out this comment box, feel free to come here. I will suggest you to join my Telegram for getting update of new airdrop, making money from online. Okay, so first thing first, go to tweet, like, retweet, follow. The simple task I will do that, I will show you. It's simpler than Bitmart Twitter event. So simple. And if you haven't a bank account, I will show you how to you correct. Okay, everybody can do that because of you have Facebook, you have Twitter, so you can correct as well. Lbank, Lbank is like any exchange, is correct, like easy to do correct, like laser than, it's not critical to correct, it's laser critical than Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, like registration. You can do that, I believe. So I'm in now in Twitter, it's loading. I'm showing you in desktop mode where you can use your Twitter apps. Doesn't matter, just you need to execute this task, you need to just done this task. Okay, first follow Lbank, mandatory to do. Okay, keep in mind every task here is mandatory, you need to do done. Okay, you need to done every task properly, appropriate way. So I'm cutting out from, like, my phone is hanging slightly. Okay, again, come back here. So let's say, okay, this one, click on there, come into your browser where you have Twitter, or you can as well use your Twitter account. Okay, that's pretty simple, nothing complicated. No one give you any cryptocurrency except this type of event. No one care you who pay you in crypto. This is the time to get something. Okay, so the recent, the newbie airdrop, if you wanna get, come into my Telegram, I will be appreciated by that. So I'm just, my phone is hanging somewhat. Okay, I'm just gonna go do like and retweet first, and check your Lbank sense, I already did. And after that, the tokens Twitter account. Okay, it's mandatory to do, follow them. And just simple, everyone can do that. If you just teach this thing to your children can do that and they can make money. Come back, and after, you need to write down something, included three friends, like this way. Okay, people did this way. Okay, just follow their comment as well as copy them. Okay, so you can copy other people's comment, and if you don't know anything about that, just copy other people. I already copied a lot of like this type of thing. Click on replay, and replay done. Now click on here, maybe you're seeing, click on there, green button, arrow button. My phone is hanging, I'm saying, as you know, sorry for that. Again I mistaked it. Okay, no problem. I'm come back my profile where I get this post link. So you, maybe your computer, your phone is slightly good, better than me, so you can easily do participate here. Okay, so now you need to join Lbank, um Lbank Twitter, Telegram, sorry, and the Picosol Telegram. I've already joined Lbank Telegram. Now I will join their Picosol Telegram channel. Whatever they have, they are just go through that link, and that link will be visible. You visualize you what you should do. Okay, at that time. So now you need to click on your Telegram, whatever Telegram you are using to join, and click open. And I already joined. Just click on verify if you wanna do so. Okay, I will definitely suggest you do every task appropriate way. Okay, I already gained like over 150 dollar over just doing this task. Okay, uh, now what should I do now? You did this comment. Okay, if you don't notice that, if you don't understand that how you did that, just pause video. I already did that, and after doing that, just copy this comment and click on the arrow button and middle option, go to it, click on there, and something Twitter given you to write. So here just paste that you copied or write into your comment. Inside of the comment, just click on this arrow button and middle option, go to it, and here is just paste exactly same on and post. Click on there. Okay, straightforward. Now click on your profile, or here view option, you will see your okay, just doing problem slightly, and you will see here your post, and you need to copy this link. Okay, it's retweet link people called. Okay, so now come here or there, everywhere has this document link post. Here you need to put your every document to getting payment to prove them that you did task. Okay, I'm come back here. Just follow as much as you can, because nothing people distribution to those people are don't do anything. Okay, so here is you need to put your email up. Here you need to put your email, so I'm copied it, this exactly that email. It's don't need to be your Lbank account created email. So here is what Twitter you used to join. So I used this one, and your Lbank user ID, where you will get this user ID. So I'm showing you how do you take this on. Maybe I have Lbank. Okay, I'm showing you a couple of Lbank I have. Let's say I wanna go there, Lbank. Okay, maybe it's locked out already because a long time I haven't joined this account through website. I just join. So okay, just correct your Lbank account come into like this way. If you haven't, just put your email password and log in and register. Okay, click on there. So I already have, I need to just okay, let's say, okay, so now I'm in here and I already copied my user ID, this on every. I have 4 Lbank account, for Bitmart account, multiple. Okay, therefore I'm getting some money. So here is Lbank ID, this is my first one, and this Lbank I created by this Gmail. I'm showing you this one. And if you have anything to say to them about their project, like this way, how to, okay, how much, or what about you say, how much total liquidity, okay, your retweet link that you copied, paste here, your Telegram that you have joined by all of account that they wanted to join you. I have joined by this one, same as Twitter. And what you should do, 300 lucky winner will get $3,000. How much it would be? Take calculator. 300, it's maybe $10. $10. Okay, $10 mean huge. Just simple task. Submit. It's 80% you will get if you have 4 or 5 account. Okay, and uh, your execution, your work is done. Nothing need to do here, and just this video now is wrap up here. Appreciate you for watching entire video, and those are wanna get something from every room, I will suggest you to comment I wanna get, or where you from, I wanna know from you.